Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to teach you what I like to call the 10x conversion formula, how I use bonuses to 10x my results and reach the top of affiliate leaderboards and generate hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars over the past few years online. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the computer. This is actually from one of my private trainings I did with my mastermind students. So I hope you get tons of value from it. If you're looking forward to the content within this video, then go ahead and like it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And if you like videos like these, then make sure that you tick that bell icon to be notified of all videos that I upload when I upload them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to the computer and show you this formula.
Welcome to the next series in the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. In this series, we're going to cover the 10x conversion formula. And adding this one thing into my business literally increased my conversions by 10x. So you can take the list that you have right now, you can take the following that you have right now, and literally 10x your conversions with any product or service that you're promoting. So today specifically, we're going to be talking about bonuses. So here's what we're going to cover. We're going to cover what is a bonus, why offer bonuses. I'm going to show you some of my results by offering bonuses. I'm going to show you how to create an irresistible bonus fast. I'm going to show you how to deliver your bonus and then how to set up your bonus page. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Number one, what is a bonus? Very simple. A bonus is a free product or service that incentivizes someone to make a purchase. So we want to add bonuses on the back end of whatever affiliate product, whether it even be our own product or somebody else's product. We want to incentivize people to take action quickly, and to improve the overall offer by adding an extra product on the back end for free. So I'm going to get into detail about what a bonus page looks like when you're offering bonuses in future videos. I'm going to show you some examples, but this should give you a good grasp and idea of what a bonus actually is. So why offer bonuses? We offer bonuses to improve our conversions by as much as 10 times. I've been able to reach the top of leaderboards in multiple companies by just simply offering bonuses. And I've actually tested this. There, maybe a product that I would promote out there where I would earn $10,000 from, a week or two promotion of that product. And then what I would do is I would add a bonus on the back end, and it would easily double my conversions and easily even triple and quadruple my conversions. And even on some promotions, I've earned as much as 10x, 10 times of what I would usually make by just promoting the product alone without a bonus. So you can really crush leaderboards and win prizes as a result of offering bonuses. One of the cool things about offering bonuses as well is it covers gaps that the initial product wouldn't otherwise cover. So for example, let's say there's an e-commerce course out there and you're looking to promote this e-commerce course as an affiliate, and maybe they teach Facebook ads within that course, which is great and everything, but what about organic traffic? If you know something about driving traffic through the search engines or driving traffic through YouTube, you could create a little bonus package, a series of videos that walks people through exactly how they can get more sales using and leveraging not just Facebook ads, but the search engines. So that's a great example of a complimentary bonus that or an add-on that you can offer in conjunction with the initial offer they're paying for. And it also allows you to create your own products and get paid in the process. So what you can do is you can create these bonus offers, and then eventually once the promotion is over, you can take that same product and you can sell it. So you're able to even make money on the back end by offering the bonus, not even have it created yet. And then you can create it over time and then eventually offer it as a standalone product. So what I do with a lot of my bonuses is my bonuses aren't even made when I'm offering them. So what I'll do is once the promotion is over, then I will release like a series of videos or a series of webinars. And I'll let people know that, hey, over the course of the next few weeks, I'm going to be releasing these videos to you live over the shoulder. And, that doesn't affect the conversion rates of the, sales of the product whatsoever by doing that. So it's really neat. The way that you can do it is you would create the offer first. You would create the bonus page, set it up. You don't even have to create the bonuses yet. And then see how many people respond to that. If a lot of people respond to that, then you can go ahead and create the bonuses in a series of, again, webinars or videos, and just let them know they will be drip fed to, the audience over a series of a few weeks. So here's what bonuses have done for me. You can see here, this is a recent product that I've promoted over the course of the second half of last year, actually from November 20th, I believe, 2018 to now, which the creation of this specific video, we're right at the end of May 2019. So you can see the last 30 days. This is even my primary product that I've been promoting for the past 30 days too as well, and I'm still reaching the top of the leaderboards. So you can see the last 30 days, I'm number 3. Last 3 months, I'm number 2. Last 6 months, I'm number 2. Last year, I'm number 3. I've also been able to, obviously win $2,000 in cash or even go on a marketer's cruise. Took first place in this specific competition. My business partner, Paulo, $500 in cash, took third place. So there's something that we are doing right here that we're teaching you in these series of videos. I've also been able to create a $18,000 income in a matter of 2 weeks by offering bonuses with product launches. So again, this just goes to show you, this is a difference of me going out and making this promotion and making maybe a few grand and making $18,000. That's what the difference is in offering bonuses. Then I've been able to go on and make $68,000 from one income stream in ClickBank last year. I've done $17,000 in ClickBank this year. And I have to say that about 90% of this income has come from offering bonuses along with product launches that are launching on ClickBank. Obviously, ClickBank isn't my primary method of income, but this just goes to show you that, if you just offer bonuses, it can make a world difference. I've even been able to create $148,200 in income. And this is the offer that I promoted from November 20th, 2018 to May 28th is today, $148,000 in income. And if I didn't have bonuses to offer to get people to upgrade within this specific program that you're seeing right here, then I would have probably made maybe $20,000, maybe $40,000. But I've literally 4 and 5x'd that amount plus because I've offered bonuses. I've also been able to bring in between, May of last year, you can see May 28th, 2018 to today, May 28th, 2019, $239,000 in one Stripe account, in one merchant account. And this is a lot of it's due to the fact that I've been offering bonuses. So here's how you create bonuses fast. You want to make sure the bonus complements the product that you're trying to sell. I said this before. So if you're selling an e-commerce product and maybe that e-commerce product just teaches Facebook ads, maybe you could teach people how to get the top listing in Amazon if you've learned that. Maybe you could teach people how to get organic traffic to the product, right? So you want to offer something as a bonus that complements the product you're trying to sell. That's going to improve your conversion rates drastically. You don't want to just offer something random. If it's a traffic product and you're teaching people underwater basket weaving, right? I'm just thinking of something out of left field, then obviously your conversion rates are going to falter. They're not going to be that good. You want to take a success that you've recently had and show others how to do it. This is another way that you can create a bonus fast. So if you were able to create 100 leads in one day, that could be offered as a bonus. I was able to make $100,000 in 98 days with a specific offer, and I created a series of videos that showed people how to do that. So you can either create your own bonus, and I would do this through, the deliverability of slides, screen share videos, audio, or you could even create an ebook with Google Docs. You can go to Google Docs, type it into Google, and you can, create a ebook walking people through your bonus in text, right? You can also use other people's expertise. So you can search Google and YouTube for videos and articles that you can then organize and deliver to your audience as a bonus. And I'm going to be showing you some ways to do this in future videos. I'm going to give you some numerous case studies to give you guys ideas on different bonuses that I've created. So you can go to YouTube and search for Creative Commons. So when you make a search into YouTube, for example, you type in Game of Thrones, it's going to show a list of videos. Well, then what you can do is you can filter through those videos. There should be a little tab at the top right next to the search bar that says filter. You click on that and you click on Creative Commons. It's going to show you a list of videos that you can actually copy and pass off as your own without dealing with copyright issues. Okay, so you can compile these Creative Commons videos in your particular niche or whatever you want to teach in your bonus, and then you can obviously offer that. And if you are going through Google and you're finding articles, what you could do is you could take those articles, you can put them obviously in a Google Doc, and then at the end of the Google Doc, just make sure you give credit where credit's due. So you can use other people's work. You just need to make sure you give credit where credit is due. So a lot of times people would love to pay for an organized information. For example, they go through my YouTube channel. I got tons of different information on how to make money online. But some people are still left somewhat confused because it's not organized in a specific fashion like a course would be, like this course. So what you could do is you could take all the free information out there and you can organize it, and people will see value in that. Hey, and they're even willing to pay for it. So not only can you offer this information as a bonus, but you can sell it too. You can also stack on other bonuses. So like one-on-one coaching, email support, Skype support, Voxer. So these are other bonuses that will also, like, people just love some type of support from you. And if you can offer that, it's going to increase your conversion rates. So here's how you deliver your bonuses. You would hire someone on Fiverr.com. So you can go to Fiverr.com and you can just type in logo. You can type in graphics for product, logo for product, and you'll find a ton of people over on Fiverr.com. You could pay $5 that can create graphics for your membership site. If you want to tuck everything away in a membership site, they can make graphics for your videos. They can make graphics for your ebook covers. So on and so forth. So Fiverr is a great place to have that done if you want to get all fancy. If you want to do this the free way and deliver this the free way, you can use a website called canva.com, C-A-N as in Nancy, V as in Victor, A.com, and you can create the ebook cover by yourself. You can create logos by yourself, which is what I've actually done with this high ticket affiliate accelerator. The little logo in the bottom right hand corner I actually created with Canva. So there's a way to do this for free if you want to. And option one is the free way. So you can upload a series of videos on YouTube as unlisted and share the links on a secret page or a document on Google Docs that you would then go out there and share that document so people would get access to it. They would click on the video links in the document and go straight to your bonus videos that you created. You can also obviously use this document to write out an ebook and then just share that ebook with the share link inside of Google Docs. Again, future videos will be covering some of these strategies so you can see it live over the shoulder on how exactly I create like my membership sites, how I deliver my bonuses. If I'm using like a paid membership site, like on ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or Kartra, that's if you want to just be more fancy, be more professional, be a little bit more organized. You can use these different membership sites. I use Kartra because Kartra is an all-in-one solution. I use Kartra as an autoresponder, and then just for free in conjunction with that, they offer a membership site builder, and so I just go ahead and use that. ClickFunnels does offer it, but it's not going to be as robust as Kartra. So if you want to get more fancy, you can obviously do a membership site with ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Kartra. Kajabi is going to be the most expensive if you really want to create a professional looking membership site. With bonuses, I probably wouldn't go with Kajabi. It's just an option for you. I would definitely just, upload the links to a page or a document, or go with, ClickFunnels or Kartra. If you already have it, you have the ability to create membership sites there. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. What I want to do before we go ahead and end this is I want to show you exactly how to create your bonus video. And it's very simple. What you would do on your bonus page is you would create a video showing people exactly what they get and what the benefits and outcomes will be. It's very simple. So, hey, you're going to get, along with e-commerce 2.0, e-commerce selling system 2.0, you're going to get my organic traffic method that's going to show you how to get organic traffic to your product. So not only are you going to be able to learn how to get traffic with Facebook ads to your product, but you're going to get my free organic traffic method that's going to show you how to get organic traffic. And I've used this same method to generate thousands of leads and, make 5 figures a month. So that's just an example of what you would do. And then you would go to your next bonus and just repeat the process. So really just showing people exactly what they get. You can show them the inside of the bonuses. You can show them the outcomes, or explain to them the outcomes that they're going to get as a result of going through your bonuses. And I just go step by step. And again, there's going to be a video below here, an example video, bonus video that I used in one of my previous launches, so you can see and get to know a little bit more about how this bonus video works. And then, of course, under the bonus video, this bonus video will be on the bonus page. You will have a link that links people to the affiliate product that you're promoting, or even your own product if you're promoting your own product. And then what you could do is take this bonus video, upload it to YouTube or your favorite video hosting service. So you can, again, unlist that, sales video. That's essentially what we're creating here. You can upload it to YouTube or your favorite video hosting service like Wistia or Vimeo. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to download my bonus page templates below. These are all the templates that I've used to have success with different product launches that I've promoted in the past. Again, we're going to get into more detail about how to take advantage of these bonus pages, how to create your bonuses, how to put these bonuses in your membership site, so on and so forth. So continue into the next video where we get in a little bit more detail about this. I hope you got value from this video. Hope you took a lot of notes. If you didn't, make sure that you go back, take notes, and continue through here. I'm also going to include the slides below so you can download those slides of this video instantly. Take care, have a great day, and let's see you in the next video.
So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please let me know by commenting below. Like this video. Again, subscribe and tick that bell icon to receive notifications of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And if you want to relicense my bonuses and get these kind of results without having to create your own bonus pages and your own bonuses, then click the link in the description to learn more. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.